Facebook Marketplace is a digital haven for buying and selling. It's easy to use and offers a huge audience. Think of it as a virtual yard sale, but with global reach. Whether you're cleaning out your attic or starting a side hustle, Marketplace can connect you with eager buyers. It's free to use, making it a great option for both casual sellers and budding entrepreneurs. Plus, it's conveniently located within the Facebook app, a platform many of us already use daily. Listing your items on Facebook Marketplace is a breeze. Whether you're decluttering your home or looking to make some extra cash, this platform makes it simple and efficient. First, open your Facebook app and navigate to the Marketplace section. This is where you'll find a variety of items being sold by people in your community. Click on the Sell button to start a new listing. This will open up a new page where you can input all the necessary details about your item. Select the category that best fits your item, like furniture, electronics, or clothing. Choosing the right category helps potential buyers find your listing more easily. Electronics or clothing. Each category has its own set of filters to help buyers narrow down their search. Now it's time to add some details. The more information you provide, the better. Provide a clear and concise title that accurately describes your item. This is the first thing buyers will see, so make it count. Next, write a detailed description highlighting the item's features and condition. Mention any unique aspects that make your item stand out. Be honest about any flaws. Transparency builds trust and can lead to quicker sales. Upload high-quality photos that showcase your item from different angles. Good photos can significantly increase your chances of making a sale. Set your asking price, keeping in mind similar items in the marketplace. Competitive pricing can attract more buyers. Finally, choose your preferred pickup or shipping options. Offering flexible delivery methods can make your listing more appealing. Review your listing carefully and hit publish to unleash it into the digital marketplace. With these steps, you're well on your way to making a successful sale. The key to attracting buyers is to create listings that stand out. In a sea of products, your listing needs to catch the eye and hold the interest of potential buyers. Start with a catchy title that grabs attention and accurately reflects your item. A good title can make the difference between a quick glance and a click. Use high-quality photos that highlight its best features. Clear, well-lit images can showcase your item in the best possible light. Natural lighting and clean backgrounds work wonders. They help your product stand out and look more appealing. Write a detailed description that answers potential buyers' questions. Include all the necessary information to help buyers make an informed decision. Mention the brand, model, size, and condition. These details build trust and credibility with your audience. Be upfront about any defects. Honesty is key to maintaining a good reputation and ensuring buyer satisfaction. Finally, price your items competitively. A fair price can attract more buyers and lead to quicker sales. Research similar listings to gauge a fair price. This helps you stay competitive and realistic in your pricing. Don't be afraid to negotiate, but set a firm bottom line. Knowing your minimum acceptable price can help you navigate negotiations confidently. Remember, a well-crafted listing can make all the difference in attracting buyers and closing deals. Put in the effort, and you'll see the results. Section 4. The keys to a successful sale. Photos, descriptions, and pricing. High-quality photos are non-negotiable. They are the first impression potential buyers will have of your item, so make sure they are clear and well-lit. Use natural lighting and clear backgrounds to showcase your items in their best light. Avoid cluttered backgrounds that can distract from the item itself. Multiple photos from different angles provide a comprehensive view. This helps buyers feel more confident about what they are purchasing. Clear and concise descriptions are crucial. They should provide all the necessary information a buyer might need. Highlight key features, condition, and dimensions. This includes any unique aspects that make your item stand out. Be honest about any flaws to build trust with potential buyers. Transparency can lead to more successful transactions. Pricing your items competitively is essential. Overpricing can deter buyers, while underpricing can lead to a loss. Research similar items to determine a fair market value. This helps ensure your price is attractive yet reasonable. Consider offering discounts for multiple purchases or for buyers willing to pick up. This can incentivize quicker sales. A well-priced item will attract more attention and increase your chances of a quick sale. The right combination of photos, descriptions, and pricing can make all the difference. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid on Facebook Marketplace. Avoid these common mistakes to maximize your success on Marketplace. Firstly, don't neglect high-quality photos. Blurry images or poor lighting can deter potential buyers. Secondly, avoid vague descriptions. Be specific about the item's details and condition. Thirdly, don't overprice your items. Research comparable listings to set a competitive price. Next, be responsive to inquiries. Promptly answer questions and messages from potential buyers. Lastly, ensure a smooth transaction process. Be prepared for pickup arrangements or shipping logistics. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can ensure a positive and successful selling experience on Facebook Marketplace.